From the single pane of glass, HP Data Protector allows you to fully leverage your data as an asset or investment to minimize backup and recovery windows and optimize business application performance. Simple yet powerful snapshot functionality also fully automates recovery down to the exact second, which frees you from the restrictive backup window. With this release of Data Protector 7, we build upon a history of application owner-centric recovery tools by releasing something called the Granular recovery extension for Microsoft Exchange environments. This has been released in addition to our existing GRE support for VMware and Microsoft SharePoint. At its core, the GRE concept allows application administrators and end users to recover data directly through the application console without burdening IT staff. As you can see, the GRE for Microsoft Exchange is directly integrated into the Microsoft Management Console. This allows Microsoft Exchange admins and HP Data Protector backup admins to easily recover a variety of Exchange-related objects through a simple, easy-to-use interface. It allows for single-item recovery of such things as a mail, calendar, or contact-related item. This friendly and familiar interface now allows the Exchange admin to view the various databases related to their critical messaging environment. By choosing Import Backup, we can view Exchange data for granular recovery, such as mail items or contacts. Within the wizard, we have the ability to select either the mailbox or the entire database under protection. The first step in recovering a single item or a user's entire mailbox is to select the mailbox in question. In this demo, we'll pick a user named Vicky and restore some of her critical mail items, for example, something related to a compliance request. With the Exchange GRE and Data Protector, we can simply select the various points in time where the content in question may reside. These points in time are related to application-consistent backups created by Data Protector using integration with Microsoft's Volume Shadow Copy Service, or VSS. For example, they could reside on disk or on tape. These backups can either be incremental or full. If an incremental backup is chosen, the complete backup chain and all of its data will be restored. After we have selected the user mailbox that we're planning to restore from in the point in time, for instance, we can redirect the restore to a different Exchange host. But here, we're just going to specify the restore location to assist with our recovery process. Once these steps complete, Data Protector will trigger the restore, and as you can view in the status window, you'll see the previous restores as well as the current restore task running. The status window provides a granular detail for each task. For instance, this dialog box has indicated a successful restore for that point in time. We can now search and find the exact item that we are looking for and conduct our recovery. But in order to do so, we need to first mount this newly restored database and start the recovery process. Here we'll select the user Vicky and initiate the recovery of her data in question. Within the mailbox selection dialog box, we can simply select the user Vicky and hit Next to proceed with the search window. Optionally, we can choose to recover her entire mailbox. This easy-to-use search dialog box allows us to find items by variables such as subject, sender, if the mail item has an attachment, specific content with items such as specific date or time. We simply take the defaults and hit Next to proceed. As you can see, we have full visibility into Vicky's mailbox at this point in time, allowing us to browse a variety of item types such as calendar entries, email items, contacts, notes, and other interesting areas of her Exchange mailbox. For instance, when we select her inbox, we can see entire view of email messages at the folder level at that point in time in which Data Protector has backed up this user's data. Now, the Exchange admin only has a basic view of the information. For instance, they can see the subject, the to, the from of the data they're searching for, but they cannot actually open the messages in question. This is leveraging security that's built in and inherent to the GRE plugin. We're going to select the messages we're looking for in question and then hit Next. In the Recoveries Settings section of the GRE, we can choose a location in which we would like to recover the data. For instance, we can rename the folder or leverage the auto-created folder based on a timestamp when the backup was last taken. In this case, we'll rename it to HPDP Demo and complete our process. And then we'll hit Next. Once the process is completed, we'll see the successful recovery of our data that we have selected within this granular recovery process. As we switch to the user's context, seen here within Microsoft Outlook, Vicky, our user, can now see their restored data and specifically the 2 restored emails that we selected through the recovery process. As we zoom to the right side pane, you can now see the 2 email messages in question. This concludes our demonstration of the Granular Recovery extension for Microsoft Exchange. This new feature brings the power and simplicity of self-service recovery to both the Exchange administrator and the end user. HP Data Protector's Granular Recovery extension for Microsoft Exchange allows organizations to manage how data is recovered on their own terms and with ease. This can mean a drastic reduction in the restore times related to help desk calls and an improved end user experience. Thank you for taking the time today to view today's demo of HP Data Protector's GRE for Microsoft Exchange. For more information about this feature and HP Data Protector 7, please go to imhub.autonomy.com.